Saloni has been with Inventure since second grade. She was rather a reticent child, almost timid at times. She wouldn't make eye contact. She wouldn't do presentation. She was also average at studies. She was good at swimming. She liked swimming. And she would swim 3 times a week. She liked all the strokes, but breaststroke she just got instinctively. Right around that time, the pool opened up at Inventure right here. And Inventure started school swim team. In fact, Inventure took the swim team to 2 competitions, TICE, right across the road at TSB, and it was the first Inventure Sports Fest in 2012 or 2013. She won handsomely in all of those competitions. In fact, she came home with individual championship. That changed everything. I mean everything. The little girl who was reticent suddenly had an identity at school. There was a sense of uniqueness amongst her peers. There was a little voice in her that said, "Yes, I can." What lesson did we learn in this? We all must discover our motivation first. The moment we discover our motivation, everything else follows. And she enters the middle school. As all of us as parents, we started to wonder, with the rigor of swimming, would her grades suffer? In fact, I remember Saloni and I broaching this exact question with Neelu ma'am, her grade teacher. And our exact question was, "Ma'am, should she continue swimming or focus more on studies?" Neelu ma'am said, "It's not either or, it's both." She insisted that Saloni must continue to swim, and she assured that school will do whatever it takes to help her balance. That conversation really changed how we looked at Inventure as a school, and I'll tell you why. Within a short span of 1 year, she went from a no-name swimmer to the state medalist. Krishna and I thought, our dream came true. This is it. But she had different ideas. Right around that time, trials were happening for National Games of India. Now, National Games is modeled after Olympics. This is where men and women of country come together and compete. There is no age bar in this event. She was all of 12, 7th grade. Probably first term of the 7th grade. But the coach said, maybe she can go and give trials. And so she did. Funny enough, she got selected to represent Karnataka. Bear in mind, Karnataka is the top swimming state for the country. So here we are, a year and a half into her competitive swimming, going to Kerala for the National Games in 2015. Again, we thought this is icing on the cake. She competed with swimmers who were 4 or 5 years older to her. And ladies and gentlemen, she was the youngest medalist at the National Games. It was one of those moments. It changed life, certainly for her, but for all of us. Since then, she has been a force to reckon with in Indian swimming. She has competed at many state and national events. And every time she came back from those events, Nurain ma'am, Preet ma'am, Kishan sir, and all the faculty members mentored and encouraged her with all the right words. That motivated her even further. As she entered high school, we felt it would be right for her to train in the US and compete in the US. I'm talking about staying away from school for weeks and months. When we broached this topic with high school faculty members, they wholeheartedly supported it. Lavanya ma'am, Mausri ma'am, Gausia ma'am, and many faculty members ensured that she always got the lesson plans, the worksheets. They would send it from here. She would do those during the daytime, send it back, they would correct it, and that rhythm continued for a couple of months while she was away. This she has done for last 3 out of 4 years. This level of support and flexibility is unheard of. Unheard of in India, perhaps unheard of outside India as well. It shows that distance is no bar. It showed the progressive nature of school. It showed how school kept the child at the center and adjusted everything around it. InVenture does what it takes to bring out excellence in students. Saloni has since been able to manage both academics and swimming really well. She is laser focused on what's important to her. Although she was away for 3 out of 4 years for extended period of time, believe it or not, her grades excel. The excellence in swimming fueled her fire to repeat this in academics. And in swimming, for last 4 years, she has done numerous India best times and now established herself as the best breaststroker ever for India.